Somebody is definitely dealing with a Libra the way this thing just tumbled out. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like you guys are trying to find out the truth. Maybe somebody's going through some type of legal situation. But more so, I feel like you guys were definitely just trying to find out the truth in the situation here. Ooh, the moon tried to jump out, but it didn't. Okay, hold on. Alright. Yeah, okay. Somebody, I don't know who, this is not for everybody, but yeah, somebody is definitely upset because they took some type of financial loss here. So somebody could be going to court, maybe trying to get back what they're owed. Somebody's definitely in court because I keep hearing court. But for others of you that's not going on, somebody is upset because whoever they were dealing with, they were taking from them financially. Somebody definitely feels left out in the cold. Somebody was definitely getting taken advantage of here. And I don't mean to laugh. It's just like, I feel like for a lot of you guys, it was the person that you were dealing with. Whoever they left you for, whatever situation that they had, that person, they got them. I'm going to tell you that right now. Like, justice was served, okay? So, it's just like, I had to chuckle because I keep telling people, you know, you can't expect for blessings to come in and good things to happen to you if you keep treating people wrong. You got to walk it like you talk it. So, with that being said, somebody got left out in the cold, okay? Now they're having a hard time because their money isn't together. Somebody's feeling like a situation isn't improving. Yeah, look, codependency. The card that came out, there was definitely some issue of codependency here. Taurus, I don't know if the person that you were dealing with, they were codependent towards you financially. Oh, yeah, for some of y'all, I just heard yes. Okay, yeah, that was it for some of y'all. Not everybody, but yeah. That's why some of y'all are sad, because a lot of you guys feel like you were used. Somebody was with you guys just for stability. Somebody's worried. I'm so sorry that you guys have to go through that. Like, this is some BS. Somebody's worried. You could be dealing with a Cancer. Take it more slow down. Somebody's worried that you don't want to move forward with them anymore. Look at that. But somebody wants happiness still. Who are y'all dealing with? Let me see. Clarify the Ten of Pentacles. What? Somebody's confused. Because they're confusing me. And I don't like getting confused, Taurus. Somebody needs to get this together, okay? Alright, so... yeah, the person that messed up. And this can go vice versa. Take it however fits your situation. But... whoever messed up, this person is worried because they feel like you don't want to move forward with them. They really want to be with you. They want to try to work things out. They see stability with you. They see themselves growing with you. And so they're getting ready to rush back in very fast to try to save the situation with you. But honestly, you guys aren't positive about this person anymore because it's like you learned your lesson. You see it for what it is. Yeah, you're realizing that things are not going to improve with this person. Y'all, I'm trying to keep it together because I'm a little pissed off for y'all. Like, this is crazy. Alright. This person wants things to improve between the two of you guys, but you're like, no, I don't see anything improving. You're looking at this person like they can't even get their finances together, and you feel like they were leeching off of you for somebody. You know, I don't know who that was for, but somebody felt like this person was leeching. But with the Two of Swords here, I feel like, okay, somebody's stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. If not, the person that you're dealing with, this person, they don't communicate. This person does not speak up. They don't tell you anything. They keep things hidden from you. They just don't open up at all. Somebody's dealing with a Scorpio. Clarify death for me. I feel like something just needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. Tell me more. Clarify death, please. Yeah, Something, look at, oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, Taurus. Spirit is basically stating, okay, with this person, they're on mute. They don't speak up. They don't open up. And at this point, what you want, you need, and you deserve in your life, you can have it. But this got to stop. You got to put an end to this. It needs to come to an end so that something new can begin. I mean, you cannot make this up. You have Wheel of Fortune with the Four of Wands. You can have this. It's coming in. You learned your lesson. You're moving on. So guess what? The universe is getting ready to bless you. You're getting ready to have your happy home. This person, ooh, that y'all were dealing with. You know, I'm starting to remember the last reading. Y'all need to run. Because I'm starting to remember now. No, Taurus. Somebody's still in their head. There's definitely a lot of conflict here. And they want to give you the truth. Somebody wants to come and speak some type of truth. They want happiness with you, but hold on. Whoa. Okay, wait. Oh, Jesus, what is happening to it? Didn't I tell y'all I had a lot coming to me in the beginning? Alright, hold on. Somebody is definitely not using their intuition when it comes to this individual. I don't know who this is for. And I'm sorry to say this, because I don't know who went through it. Okay, let me just say it. So, Taurus, I don't know if you got pregnant by this person and you lost the baby. There was a miscarriage that took place, and so I'm so sorry to hear that. There are others of you out there that this person was cheating on you with someone else. And either they got pregnant or they got somebody else pregnant, you know, man, woman, you know, whatever. And somebody lost the baby. Oh, this is too much. Oh, Taurus. Oh, gosh. Who is this for? Okay. That's why some of you guys are undecided about what to do, or maybe this person is undecided about what to do when it comes to you. Because maybe they really want to be with you, but they put themselves in a position. Maybe you heard about it, you found out, but that's why they're not moving towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. But this person was definitely a player. They played games big time. Could have been dealing with an Aquarius. But I feel like you guys tried to have hope that things will work out between the two of you, but you're like, you know what? I deserve so much better. And that's why I keep looking, and I was about to say I keep looking at stay optimistic about your love life, and then there goes the Eight of Cups that flew right on top of it. Y'all, this person put your, ooh, Lord, y'all, I'm trying to keep it together because I'm trying to deliver the message, but I'm pissed for y'all, whoever this is resonating for. Somebody, they don't want you to walk away. They definitely don't want you to walk away at all. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody wants to come back to try to balance things out. But you can't help but to think that they were cheating on you. They were playing you. They were giving to you and somebody else. And that's why you don't see yourself building this happy family like you guys once talked about. You know, there's definitely a lot of conflict between the two of you guys. It's just like this person arguing with you, they arguing with other people. Like, it's a mess. I just feel like there's too many people involved. And that's why you're back and forth. It's like you do care about this person. You love this person. It's like, for some of you guys, you spent time with this person for a while. You've been dealing with them. And it's like, okay, do I just throw all of that away? But then you're like looking at this, because I'm looking at it like giving y'all the eye. But it's like, you know what? Those seeds that were planted, I don't see them growing. Tell me more. That's why I keep my cards pointed down, because y'all, my face tells it all. And my face is all like, eyebrow is raised, the whole nine. Like, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. But yeah, somebody's interfering here. Somebody's mother could be interfering, motherly figure, another woman, doesn't matter. Somebody's interfering. Okay? And I feel like the person that you were dealing with, they want to rush in. They want to tell you something. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Maybe they want to tell you that they got out of some type of third-party situation here. You're still disappointed. That's why you're coming off like really cold and harsh to them, because you're over them playing games. You're tired. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. A Leo just tried to jump out. So somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But I feel like this person is just, they're not consistent. They don't make any moves. They take too long doing stuff. And they're not really opening up and telling you anything. But I feel like, you know, you're back and forth. Or maybe they're back and forth, which is why they're not telling you anything. Because they're like, okay, I want to put in the work with Taurus, but then again, I'm not. You know? Somebody's definitely trying to focus on their finances, but Taurus, I feel like they're keeping a close eye on you. They're watching you. Why would they not? Okay. Somebody has confidence now. Tell me more. Alright, let's see. Alright, somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. Got a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. There's a Leo. But yes. Okay, so somebody has confidence now. They're realizing that they love you. They want to be with you. You just don't have a peace of mind about this person because of everything that they put you through, and you're emotional about it. You don't have the strength to deal with them, but there is an offer coming in. But again, you feel like this person isn't balanced. They don't bring balance to your life, and you're tired of dealing with them in their drama. So at this point, you're coming out of being frustrated about it. I feel like you guys just poured out their cup of love. You turned it down. You're like, you know what? No. There's no security with you. I want a king or I want a queen that I can build with. But this person is very persistent. They're not giving up. They want to come in to turn things around, but you guys are like, get the hell out of my face. I'm not building with you. That's right, Taurus. Stand your ground. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, you're breaking it off with them. No. Look at, I mean, y'all. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but this person was toxic as hell, okay? Like, for a lot of you guys, this was definitely a karmic soulmate situation where both of you guys came into each other's lives to teach the other person a lesson. Once the lesson was learned, you go. You know, and that's what I'm picking up for a lot of you guys. This was definitely a lesson. No. You don't. Taurus, run. No, Taurus. Alright, so anyway. You guys made a decision. What's the decision here for Taurus? Judgment in reverse, please. Oh, Lord. Alright, Taurus. Alright. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign here. Or somebody has earth really heavily in their chart. But I have Capricorn, another Taurus like yourself, or a Virgo. This person is coming in because they want a commitment. They're coming to give you this strong offer of commitment here. But they're scared to do so because of everything that they put you through. Because they feel like you don't want them anymore. Look at that. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces, but I feel like this person wants to come to give you the truth. They want to tell you something. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here, but regardless of whatever they want to say to you, you look at this individual like there's no stability with them. And at this point, you're coming out of being frustrated about it. You block them. You cut off some type of communication. You're not speaking to them. Because you're like, what's the point? I don't see myself being with you anymore. I don't see myself having a victory with you. I'm tired of you stabbing me in the damn back. Like, no. How many times are we going to keep going through this? And you keep playing with me? No. Y'all trying y'all best not to cut this person because you really don't want to go to jail. So it's like, get the hell on. But yeah, you guys are just dropping this person. You're letting it go. But for some of you guys, again, you're really thinking like, okay, do I want a new beginning with this person? Do I want to try to make this work again? Or should I just leave it alone because I'm tired of getting stabbed in my back by this individual? Like, how many times are we going to keep going through this? Decisions. Okay, let's see. Yeah. You guys are looking at this individual like they need to clean up their act. They're too sneaky. They're like, no. You know, and you feel like you're not going to have a new opportunity with them. Taurus, this is you. You want someone that can come into your life that can give you a stable foundation for a commitment. Ooh. Okay. Oh, Taurus, I'm trying to get it together. I'm hearing like, okay. Taurus, look at, I mean, this is you. So, for some of you guys, by you really, truly walking away from this individual, you learned your lesson. Somebody is coming in. There's somebody coming in that will give you everything that you deserve. This is a new beginning in love. That could lead to marriage. For others of you, this person's coming back to throw a Hail Mary and they might try to propose. Because they want a new beginning. But, y'all, Taurus, you know, I'm not going to tell y'all what to do, but please use your intuition. That's all I'm going to say, regardless. Oh, my, and this offer's coming in fast. Like, honestly, for a lot of you guys, I do feel like it's somebody else is getting ready to come in. As soon as you walk away from this person, because you've been doing the work, you've been healing, but as soon as you completely let them go, you get their energy from around you, like, somebody's coming in. It's somebody else. This is somebody new coming in. They're going to come in fast. Oh, my God. They're coming in fast, y'all. And this person's going to give you everything that you want. But like I said, for others of you, it's the same person. They're coming in. Which, I'm not going to say it like it's a bad thing, because at the end of the day, people change. They just don't change overnight. So, depending on, you know, your situation, how long you've been going through this with this person, if they cut certain things off, maybe for some of you guys who are meant to be with this individual, it could be a situation to where they've been going through some type of transformation. They've ended things. They want you. Now they're getting ready to propose. Or there's some type of commitment that can lead to an engagement that will lead into marriage. So, it can go either way. Somebody has to make a decision. But honestly, I'm telling y'all, for a lot of you guys, I feel like this is somebody new. And because it's like I keep looking at, stay optimistic about your love life. There was a lot of codependency here. It could be the same person, could be somebody new. Just depends on your situation. Somebody made a decision, but they're frustrated. They're holding back. They're not really speaking their truth. Somebody wants to make an offer, but they keep thinking about the past. Somebody's dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But honestly, see, this is what I'm saying. Y'all are going to cut this person off. If they do come back with some type of commitment, you're going to cut them off. You're isolating yourself from them because you're tired of dealing with the BS. And look at that. With the Fool, you're taking a leap elsewhere. It's like you're not dealing with it. So honestly, y'all, that's the way it ended. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, somebody new was coming in. It's somebody new. This person from the past may try to come back to throw that Hail Mary, okay? They may try to offer you a commitment, marriage, but you guys are going to cut it off because you cannot stop thinking about what they did to you. You're ready to take a leap elsewhere. Okay, Taurus, please leave me